Hi everyone, this is Lynn, sales manager at Keewin. I'm at InfoComm 2026, and you are now looking at our latest 65 heat exchange model. It is dual side. It is with 4,000 nits of brightness each side, and because it's a heat exchange model, it has a much more advanced cooling system that will allow it to have a much more complicated functionality integrated into this system as well. So you can see we have this NFC sensor, RFID sensor, and the camera on the right. And so this screen is also does also have the touch functionalities. And what's best about this part is it can actually be integrated with the traditional printed signage like light box, etc., etc. So the flexibility space for this model is quite huge, and because of its advanced cooling system, it can handle the extreme environments in North America, in Australia, in regions like that. If you are interested in this model, please visit www.kiwi.com. Thank you.